Hello friends, I am Siddharth Mehta, currently working as a lecturer in SAGC Engineering College, Amreli. I am putting this lecture related to second sem. Subject is basic electronics. Okay, it is available in two branches, electrical branch and computer branch. Okay, we are starting from topic BJT. Topic is BJT. Okay, first of all we have to taken some introduction about basic things. Okay, now we are first of all study the types of material according to electrical point of view. Okay, material is classified into three categories. First is conductor, insulator, and third one is semiconductor. You know that what is conductor, insulator, and semiconductors. Conductor is a material through which the current can easily flow. Insulator is a material through which current cannot flow easily. Okay, and semiconductor is counts between conductor and insulator. Okay, semiconductors has a conductivity less than conductor and more than insulators. Okay, we have to study semiconductors. Okay, so semiconductors is classified also in two categories. One is intrinsic semiconductor and second one is extrinsic semiconductor. Okay, first is intrinsic semiconductor and second one is extrinsic semiconductor. Okay, this also known as pure semiconductors, or this is known as semiconductors with impurity. Okay, now we will study that according to addition of impurity in pure semiconductor, according to addition of impurity in pure form of semiconductor, it is also classified into two categories, p type semiconductor and n type semiconductors. Okay, here we are adding impurity into the pure semiconductor to increase conductivity of semiconductor. Okay, so by addition of impurity it is classified into two categories. First is p type semiconductor and second one is n type semiconductor. In we can say that in p type semiconductor the majorities are holes. Okay, and in n type semiconductor majority of electron carriers. Okay, so in p type semiconductors conduction is take place due to holes, and in n type semiconductor conduction is take place due to electron carriers. Okay, now we know that different semiconductor devices are available. Okay, that are diode, BJT, MOSFET, IGBT, etc. Okay, we already studied diode in previous chapters, so I am starting from BJT. What is full form of BJT? Bipolar junction transistor. BJT full form is bipolar junction transistor. Here it is available. BJT equal to bipolar junction transistor. Okay, now first of all we will study the meaning of two names. Okay, first is bipolar. Okay, and second one is transistor. Okay, BJT is one type of transistors. Okay, here BJT, MOSFET, IGBT all are transistors, and we are studying it right now BJT. BJT means bipolar junction transistor. Okay, first of all we will study some basic phenomena of transistor, then we will study the what is meaning of bipolar. Okay, first of all we will study the transistor, some basic introduction of transistor, then we will study the what is meaning of bipolar. So by knowing these two meanings we will study the BJT. Okay, first of all, as I said, the basic phenomena or basic introduction of transistor. What is transistor? Transistor is three terminal device. Okay, it has three terminals. Okay, first terminal is known as base, second one is emitter, third one is collector. First is base, emitter and collector. Here the symbol of transistor is available. You can see that three terminals are available. One is base, one is collector and one is emitter. Okay, here I mentioned one application of this transistor. Here in this connection it is act as amplifier. So if I will give the small amplitude signal to base terminal, then at the collector terminal I will get that same signal in magnified version, and for magnification I have to add some external DC source. We will discuss in later lecture. Okay, and what is transistor? It is also said that transistor means transfer plus resistor. Okay, this is your for knowledge. Okay, now in transistor the conduction is takes place due to holes and electrons. Okay, in transistor the conduction is take place due to holes and electrons. Now according to this I will classify into two categories. If the conduction in transistor take place by holes and electrons both, if the conduction take place in transistor due to both electron and holes, then it is known as bipolar transistor. Okay, and its example is MOSFET. But if the conduction in transistor take place due to only holes or electrons, then it is known as unipolar transistor. Okay, this is bipolar transistor, this is unipolar transistor. Example of unipolar transistor, example of bipolar transistor is MOSFET or BJT. Okay, and unipolar transistor is FET. Okay, so now at this time you know two basic things. First of all, what is meaning of bipolar and unipolar, and you also know that basic introduction of transistor. In next video we will study the different types of transistors. Okay, thank you.